Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can set up this live wallpaper into your laptop or in your PC. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first we will go to Microsoft Store, just click on that. And after that here you will get this search option over here, and if you now come over here and type desktop wallpaper over here, live wallpaper, you can see. So if you now click on this desktop live wallpaper, so you will get quite a lot of software over here, but I will suggest you to go on this desktop live wallpaper plus. It's showing over here. It's quite a light app. Also you can set live wallpaper smoothly over here, so just click on that live wallpaper plus. Afterward, this kind of interface will pop up, and here you will find an installation option or a button. Just click on that and the install will start it automatically. So it will take some of seconds. It's only 133 MB, so it will not take too long. So it always depends on your internet speed. So I will get you after the installation. So after installing it, here you will get an option called open. Just click in open. And now here is desktop live wallpaper is set it. So now how you can set up live wallpaper from here, I will show you. So before that, we need to download a live wallpaper. So I'm click on the Google Chrome, and here we are at the Pixel. And here you can see this wallpaper I will going to download. Just click on download, and here you can download free live wallpaper from Pixel, so you don't need to worry about. So I already downloaded this, so that's why I'm not going through it. So then we will open this app that we downloaded, desktop live wallpaper. So now we need to set up our live wallpaper over here. So how are we gonna do it? First we will come over this section, add photos or videos, click on that, and then select from pick from PC. And after that, this kind of interface will appear. So you need to go where you downloaded your wallpaper. So I downloaded this live wallpaper over here. Just click on that. After that, you just need to click on this apply changes. If you click on that, and here you will get the status playing over here, you can see. So just close it, stop it, and then start it. And after that, your wallpaper is now showing into your background work here, you can see. And if you want, then close it, it's not a problem. Your wallpaper will be automatically living in your home screen. You don't need to worry about. So this is how you can set your live wallpaper into your home screen of your laptop or PC. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you liked it, then click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video.